Hi friends, this is Rayakuduru from Zphs Rayakuduru. Keep learning, keep practicing the secret of success. Friends, in the last video talked about simple present tense. We have received good response from the viewers. Now we are getting ready to make video on present continuous tense. If you want to get complete comment over it, don't skip in the middle and watch till the end. So without making delay, let's get started. Come on! Friends, when an action happening at the time of speaking, we use present continuous tense. It means this tense is used when an action is in progress. For this, the structure is or am or are plus V1 ing. And please remember that if the subject is singular, we use is. If the subject is plural, we use are. But I is a special case. Even it is a singular, it is followed by am. For example, I am making a video on present continuous tense, right?
He is running.
He is starting to her friends.
You are preparing for the examination, right?
We are playing. They are sweeping the floor. Friends, if you want to make negative sentences, just add not after the helping verb. She is not going to school. She is going home. She is not reading. She is playing. They are not waiting for an auto. They are waiting for their friends to go together. Friends, if you want to make yes or no questions, remove the helping verb and place it in the very beginning of the sentence. Is she drawing a picture?
Yes, she is.
Is she wearing bangles?
Yes, she is.
Is it raining?
No, it's not. It's sunny.
Friends, for making WH question, place the WH word before the helping verb.
Hey, are you going to school?
No, I am not.
Then where are you going?
I am going to meet a doctor.
Hey, what happened? Are you alright?
Hey, nothing to worry. I suffer from side fever.
Okay, are you going alone? Is there anyone to accompany you?
Yes, there is. My father will accompany me. He will join on the way.
It's okay, take care.
Hey, is she reading?
No, she is not.
Then what is she doing?
She is napping.
Why is she napping?
She was awake until midnight yesterday.
Okay.
Hey, don't make so much noise. I am trying to concentrate.
What are you trying to concentrate on?
On social studies.
Are you preparing for examinations?
Yes, I am.
Then carry on.
Thank you.
Hey, who is that?
She is Ripka.
Where is she coming from?
She is coming from Araklakatta.
Hi Ripka, how are you getting on in your new school?
Not bad. It wasn't so good at first, but the things getting better now.
What about Aditya and Fanny? Are they okay?
Yes, they are enjoying every moment here. They are getting used to this place.
Good. Friends, sometimes the action is not necessarily happening at the time of speaking. For example, she is preparing for the examinations to be held next week. In fact, here she is not preparing for the examinations at the moment. She is chatting to her friends. It means that she has started preparation but has not finished it yet. She is in the middle of preparing it. Okay?
Hi.
Hi.
Where are you going?
We are going to a movie. Will you accompany us?
No, I won't.
Why?
I am working on a project. I have to submit it next week.
Okay, carry on.
Bye.
Bye.
Friends, if you have planned something to do in the near future, you can use present continuous tense to describe an event. For example,
I am visiting my grandfather in a couple of hours.
I am playing basketball tomorrow.
Friends, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And if you like this video or if you feel this video is helpful to others, don't forget to share with your friends. And dear teachers, please bless us by posting your comments. If any mistake you find, please drop it in comments. And please remember that your every share is equal to 1000 blessings. Our next video might be on present perfect tense. Until then, stay tuned. Yours, Aparna from English. Bye bye.